How to delete green screen in the Filmora app. If you have been using the Filmora to edit your photos and videos and now want to delete the green screen that you have added and don't know how to do it, don't worry. I'm going to show you how to do it, so let's get started. First of all, open the Filmora app just like this. After opening the app, make sure you have added the video which you have added the green screen effect. And now you can see I have added the green screen effect. Now to delete it, simply tap onto the video timeline right here. Then scroll down and here you can find the option of Smart Cutout. Now select it. Then here you can find I have added the Chroma key which is the green screen effect. Now to delete it, simply tap onto None just right here. Now tap on it. And now you can see the green screen effect has been removed. After that, tap onto the check mark. And now you can see the effect is now removed. And that's it. This is how you can delete the green screen effect in the Filmora app. It is a very easy process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.